My name is Melina Piluras. I'm the owner and founder of Tidy Bee Organizing, and I'm here in Carrboro, North Carolina. Organizing is my passion. I would just love to help you declutter, bring a little sanity to your home. And it's not as hard as you might think, especially when you have somebody helping you. I love to work collaboratively. Sometimes people just need a body double in order to get their work done or started, and a body double just means you have another body with you. They can either help you out specifically or they can just be present. And sometimes just having a presence with you can help you feel like, oh, I can do this. Sometimes people get on a roll and I just sort of step back, let them do their thing, because if I jump in there, then it's going to interrupt what they're focused on. But they always say, oh gosh, thank goodness you were there because I couldn't have done it on my own. We both get hands-on in there and get through things. We can do short sessions where we just do one little area, or we can do ongoing sessions where we tackle the whole home and things make more sense throughout. And the goal, of course, is to set you up with systems that enable you to maintain your new sense of organization. And if we find down the road it's not working, then we will come back and adjust it and make sure we get it so that it will work for you. Not everybody works with the same systems. How does your brain work around the organizing? Are you a visual organizer? Do you need to be able to see things, or do you want to put everything out of sight? Like, are you calmed by a clean slate? It's very personalized. Where I come from, my style is that I'm really inspired by the natural world. We live near the ocean. We live near the mountains. Being here in the Piedmont Valley area, we have a lot of pine wood forests, a lot of beautiful wildflowers that are coming out now that it's spring. So there's lots of inspiration bringing that energy from, say, the ocean. I'm really inspired by the clean blues, the sand color. Those are calming colors. It's a calming energy. So how that translates into a space, we might clear a desk or we might clear a shelf. We can see the smoothness, just a bare space exposed. Maybe bring in some fresh flowers. Maybe you go for a walk and you find a branch or a twig that speaks to you, and you can just put that on your mantle. Bringing in these elements of nature ties us to the natural world, and when we're connected with the natural world, we're connected with our soul seed, our inner selves, and that's where we find the calm. And that's how we can translate that into our homes and create sanctuary in our spaces. One of the benefits of organizing your space is to really feel more grounded in yourself, feel unencumbered, graceful, easeful. It's just a nice place to be.